SAP IBP Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master SAP IBP Integrated Business Planning and gain expertise in demand planning, supply planning, inventory optimization, response and supply planning, sales and operations planning, forecasting, and end-to-end supply chain management. Our comprehensive SAP IBP training program is designed to help professionals improve demand forecasting, optimize inventory levels, balance supply and demand, streamline planning processes, and make data-driven supply chain decisions using SAP Integrated Business Planning. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world supply chain planning and optimization scenarios. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company has a strong focus on innovation and technology, with a particular emphasis on supply chain management. The company's vision is to create a more efficient and effective supply chain that enables businesses to compete globally. To achieve this goal, the company invests heavily in research and development, as well as in providing training and support for its employees. This includes offering specialized training programs in areas such as logistics, transportation, and supply chain management. The company also partners with other organizations to leverage their expertise and resources. The evolution of planning has come a long way since the days of reactive spreadsheets. In fact, it's undergone a significant transformation over time. With the advent of technology, companies now have access to more sophisticated tools that enable them to plan and manage their supply chains more effectively. One such tool is SAP IBP, which offers advanced features like real-time visibility, predictive analytics, and automated decision-making. These capabilities allow businesses to respond quickly to changes in the market and stay ahead of the competition. By embracing SAP IBP, organizations can take control of their supply chain operations and drive growth, profitability, and sustainability. The journey to SAP IBP begins here, and it's essential to understand its benefits and how it can be implemented to achieve these outcomes. SAP Integrated Business Planning IBP is a cloud-based platform powered by SAP HANA that unifies every dimension of supply chain planning into a single, intelligent solution. This platform combines demand, inventory, supply, and response planning into one cohesive system. With SAP IBP, businesses can deliver real-time simulation and scenario modeling, allowing for more accurate forecasting and better decision-making. Additionally, SAP IBP seamlessly integrates with other SAP systems such as SAF, 4HANA, and ECCS, providing a comprehensive and connected approach to supply chain management. By leveraging this unified platform, organizations can gain greater visibility, flexibility, and control over their supply chains, ultimately leading to improved operational efficiency and competitiveness. Our approach focuses on hands-on learning through real-time scenarios and live project simulations. This enables learners to gain practical, job-ready skills. Learners are encouraged to take an active role in their learning process. The company has been using a traditional method for forecasting customer demand, which relies on manual calculations and subjective judgment. The current system is not effective in predicting accurate results due to its limitations in handling large volumes of data and lack of automation. The existing infrastructure does not support the integration of new technologies that could enhance the demand forecasting process. The company needs to upgrade its infrastructure to accommodate modern tools and technologies that can handle large volumes of data and automate processes. Inventory optimization is a critical component of effective supply chain management. By striking the right balance between service levels and working capital, organizations can minimize costs and maximize efficiency. In this section, we will explore how to configure multi-stage optimization and set intelligent target inventory levels. This enables companies to resolve the age-old inventory cost against availability dilemma, where high service levels may lead to overstocking, resulting in unnecessary holding costs, while low service levels may result in stockouts, leading to lost sales and revenue. We will also discuss multi-echelon and single-stage optimization models, which allow companies to improve cash flow while maintaining fill rate targets. By implementing these strategies, organizations can optimize their inventory levels, reduce costs, and enhance overall supply chain performance. Supply and response planning involves creating detailed plans for managing inventory levels and responding to changes in demand. This can be done in two main ways: unconstrained planning and constrained planning. Unconstrained planning considers all possible scenarios without any limitations on resources or capacity. This results in a comprehensive plan that accounts for various factors such as weather, economic conditions, and global events. Constrained planning applies restrictions to the planning process, limiting resources or capacity. This ensures that the plan remains realistic and achievable. All H are tried by P, OK. Scenario management is another key aspect of supply and response planning. Running simulations tests different scenarios and predicts potential outcomes. Organizations can gain valuable insights into their supply chains by doing this. They can also make informed decisions about how to respond to changing market conditions. Establishing baseline demand-driven supply requirements is crucial for effective supply chain management. Setting targets for inventory levels and production volumes based on historical data and market trends is essential. Applying capacity constraints and sourcing rules builds an executable executive decision support system. By considering these factors, organizations can create a robust and effective supply chain management system. The Control Tower module provides a centralized platform for monitoring and managing supply chain activities. This enables organizations to gain real-time visibility into their operations and identify potential issues before they become major problems. With the Control Tower, companies can transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling them to make informed decisions about their supply chain. The module includes customizable KPI dashboards that provide a clear picture of key performance indicators, as well as exception-based management that allows for prioritizing critical issues. Additionally, custom alert rules can be set up to proactively monitor and manage disruptions, ensuring that supply chain disruptions are minimized and resolved quickly. By leveraging the Control Tower, organizations can improve their overall supply chain management and achieve greater operational efficiency. The implementation process involves several key steps. 1. Assessing the current state of the organization and identifying areas for improvement. 2. Developing a comprehensive plan for the implementation of SAP IBP, including timelines, resources, and budget. 3. Conducting thorough analysis of the organization's current processes and systems to identify potential roadblocks and opportunities for improvement. 4. Designing and implementing a tailored solution that aligns with the organization's specific needs and goals. 5. Ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and engaged throughout the implementation process. 6. Providing ongoing support and training to users to ensure successful adoption and utilization of the system. 7. Continuously monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of the implemented solutions and making adjustments as needed. 8. Documenting the entire implementation process, including lessons learned and best practices for future reference and knowledge sharing. 9. Maintaining a record of the implementation process, including progress reports, meeting minutes, and other relevant documentation. 10. Evaluating the overall success of the implementation project and providing recommendations for future improvements. Note of hour. These steps are critical to ensuring a smooth transition to the new system and achieving the desired outcomes. By following these steps, organizations can minimize risks and maximize benefits from their SAP IBP implementation. The implementation team should be composed of experienced professionals who have expertise in SAP IBP and the organization's specific needs. They should also possess strong communication skills to effectively collaborate with stakeholders and manage expectations. A well-structured implementation plan is essential to the success of the project. It should include clear objectives, timelines, and resource allocation. A detailed plan will help to mitigate risks and ensure a smooth transition to the new system. The organization should also consider the following factors when planning an implementation: the level of user acceptance and engagement, the availability of necessary resources and budget, the complexity of the implementation process, the need for change management and communication, the importance of stakeholder involvement and participation. By considering these factors, organizations can increase the chances of a successful implementation and achieve the desired outcomes. The SAP IBP implementation process can be complex and time-consuming, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a valuable investment for the organization. With the right approach and resources, organizations can reap the benefits of SAP IBP and improve their operations and decision-making capabilities. The SAP IBP implementation process requires a significant amount of time, effort, and resources. However, the rewards can be substantial, including improved supply chain visibility, enhanced collaboration among teams, and increased efficiency and productivity. Organizations must carefully evaluate their options and choose the most suitable implementation method for their specific needs. They should also be prepared to adapt to changing circumstances and requirements during the implementation process. The SAP IBP implementation process is not just about installing a new system, it's about transforming the organization's processes and culture. It requires a deep understanding of the organization's unique challenges and needs, as well as a willingness to make changes and adapt to new situations. The SAP IBP implementation process involves multiple stages, each requiring different levels of expertise and resources. The first stage involves assessing the current state of the organization and identifying areas for improvement. The second stage involves developing a comprehensive plan for the implementation of SAP IBP, including timelines, resources, and budget. The third stage involves conducting thorough analysis of the organization's current processes and systems to identify potential roadblocks and opportunities for improvement. The fourth stage involves designing and implementing a tailored solution that aligns with the organization's specific needs and goals. The fifth stage involves ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and engaged throughout the implementation process. The sixth stage involves providing ongoing support and training to users to ensure successful adoption and utilization of the system. The seventh stage involves continuously monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of the implemented solutions and making adjustments as needed. The eighth stage involves documenting the entire implementation process, including lessons learned and best practices, for future reference and knowledge sharing. The ninth stage involves maintaining a record of the implementation process, including progress reports, meeting minutes, and other relevant documentation. The 10th stage involves evaluating the overall success of the implementation project and providing recommendations for future improvements. The SAP IBP implementation process requires a high degree of flexibility and adaptability. Organizations must be willing to adjust their plans and strategies as needed to accommodate changing circumstances and requirements. The SAP IBP implementation process involves multiple stakeholders, including end users, IT staff, and external partners. Effective communication and collaboration among these stakeholders are critical to the success of the implementation project. The SAP IBP implementation process requires a significant amount of time, effort, and resources. However, the rewards can be substantial, including improved supply chain visibility, enhanced collaboration among teams, and increased efficiency and productivity. The SAP IBP implementation process is not just about installing a new system, it's about transforming the organization's processes and culture. It requires a deep understanding of the organization's unique challenges and needs, as well as a willingness to make changes and adapt to new situations. The organization has a clear understanding of its business needs and goals. They have identified areas where they want to improve their processes and have developed a plan to address them. This plan includes implementing SAP best practices and data models to streamline their operations. The organization will implement SAP best practices and data models to connect their SAP IBP system with their existing ERP systems, such as SAP S/4HANA. This connection will enable them to integrate external sources and streamline key operator setup and time management. By using SAP best practices and data models, the organization will be able to accelerate their go-live process and achieve faster results. The Unified Planning Area Data Integration will allow them to leverage proven data master data best practices, resulting in more efficient and effective processes. The organization's goal is to improve their overall performance by reducing costs and increasing productivity. They believe that implementing SAP best practices and data models will help them achieve this goal by streamlining their operations and improving their ability to manage external. The implementation of SAP best practices and data models will require significant resources and investment. However, the benefits of improved efficiency and effectiveness will far outweigh the costs. The organization is committed to making the necessary investments to ensure successful implementation. The organization will work closely with SAP to ensure a smooth transition to the new system. They will provide training and support to their employees to ensure that everyone is familiar with the new system and can operate it effectively. The organization is confident that the implementation of SAP best practices and data models will result in significant improvements in their overall performance. They believe that the new system will enable them to reduce costs and increase productivity, leading to improved profitability and competitiveness. Individual training paths are designed specifically for business analysts, consultants, and power users who want to gain deeper knowledge of SAP IBP. These paths focus on building expertise in areas such as Excel add-in and planning table configuration. The training programs are tailored to meet the needs of each individual, providing targeted role-based courses and structured certification preparation. Participants can choose from flexible formats, including self-paced learning or live instruction, to suit their schedules and preferences. This approach enables individuals to accelerate their careers and achieve their career goals in SAP IBP. Hands-on experience with SAP Fiori Launchpad is essential for mastering advanced modeling and custom analytics in SAP IBP. With our training programs, you will learn how to navigate real-world IBP applications and build tailored reporting dashboards and guided interactive simulations. Our toolkit provides the necessary tools to configure sourcing rules, production planning, and quota arrangements, as well as exception alerts using SAP's Analytics Live environments. By working through these hands-on exercises, you will gain a deeper understanding of how to apply SAP IBP capabilities to drive business success. The value of certification is recognized by employers as it signals proven SAP IBP competency. This means that certified professionals can command significantly higher salaries and attract premium project opportunities. Furthermore, continuous excellence is essential in this field as SAP releases evolve over time. By staying current with these changes and demonstrating a commitment to professional growth, certified professionals can maintain their competitiveness in the job market, all of white U. This ensures they remain attractive to employers and can continue to grow professionally. Vistasparks Solutions offers a proven track record of hundreds of successful SAP IBP professionals trained across various industries worldwide. Our flexible delivery options cater to different schedules and organization sizes, providing online, live instructor, on-site, and hybrid models. We offer lifetime access to recorded sessions, updated course materials, and expert Q&A forums, ensuring continuous learning and support. This comprehensive approach enables individuals and organizations to achieve their SAP IBP goals efficiently. By choosing Vistasparks Solutions, learners can benefit from a structured learning path, expert guidance, and ongoing support. Our solutions are designed to empower individuals and teams to succeed in their SAP IBP journeys. With Vistasparks Solutions, learners can expect a high-quality learning experience tailored to their needs and goals. Our expertise and resources ensure that learners receive the most effective and efficient training possible. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, learners can unlock their full potential and achieve success in SAP IBP. Our solutions are designed to meet the diverse needs of individuals and organizations, providing a customized learning experience. Learners can trust that they will receive expert instruction, ongoing support, and continuous learning opportunities. Vistasparks Solutions is committed to delivering exceptional results and exceeding learner expectations. Our dedication to excellence ensures that learners receive the highest quality training and support. By choosing Vistasparks Solutions, learners can take the first step towards achieving their SAP IBP goals and realizing their full potential. The company has been providing training services since its inception. The training programs offered by the SAP IBP Training Center are comprehensive and well-structured. The training covers all aspects of the system, including configuration, implementation, and maintenance. The training is delivered through a combination of lectures, workshops, and hands-on exercises. The Training Center offers flexible delivery options to accommodate different learning styles and schedules. The Training Center also provides lifetime access to recorded sessions and expert Q&A forums, ensuring that learners can access the knowledge and resources they need at any time. The Training Center's goal is to provide learners with the skills and knowledge necessary to master SAP IBP and achieve their career goals. The Training Center's experienced instructors are knowledgeable about the latest developments in SAP IBP and are committed to helping learners achieve their full potential. The Training Center's programs are designed to be engaging and interactive, making it easy for learners to absorb and retain the information presented. The Training Center's programs are also tailored to meet the needs of individuals and teams, allowing learners to focus on specific areas of interest. The Training Center's programs are highly effective in preparing learners for real-world applications of SAP IBP. The Training Center's programs are also recognized by industry experts as being among the most effective in the field. The Training Center's programs are highly regarded by learners who have achieved success using the skills and knowledge gained from the training. The Training Center's programs are also aligned with industry standards and best practices, ensuring that learners gain a deep understanding of the subject matter. The Training Center's programs are highly customizable to meet the unique needs of each learner. The Training Center's programs are also supported by a range of resources, including case studies, white papers, and other materials. The Training Center's programs are designed to be self-paced, allowing learners to work at their own pace and review material as needed. The Training Center's programs are also highly affordable, making them accessible to a wide range of learners. The Training Center's programs are highly recommended by industry professionals and experts. The Training Center's programs are also widely adopted by organizations across various industries. The Training Center's programs are highly effective in achieving business results and improving organizational performance. The Training Center's programs are also recognized by regulatory bodies as meeting industry standards. The Training Center's programs are highly regarded by learners who have achieved significant improvements in their careers. The Training Center's programs are also aligned with the latest developments in SAP IBP, ensuring that learners stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. The Training Center's programs are highly customizable to meet the unique needs of each learner. The Training Center's programs are also supported by a range of resources, including case studies, white papers, and other materials. The Training Center's programs are designed to be self-paced, allowing learners to work at their own pace and review material as needed. The Training Center's programs are highly affordable, making them accessible to a wide range of learners. The Training Center's programs are highly recommended by industry professionals and experts. The Training Center's programs are also widely adopted by organizations across various industries. The Training Center's programs are highly effective in achieving business results and improving organizational performance. The Training Center's programs are also recognized by regulatory bodies as meeting industry standards. The Training Center's programs are highly regarded by learners who have achieved significant improvements in their careers.